Good morning, grade 5 students. This is your teacher, Miss Rita. I hope you are all doing well and I hope to see you very soon. Today we will do a quick revision about lessons 2, 3 and 4 in chapter 3. So as I previously said, today we will be reviewing plants adaptations, animal adaptation, and the life cycles of some animals. Let's start by correcting the homework, and please make sure to copy the answers on your book. Page 127, number 2, the question is, do the young bees go through metamorphosis? Explain. So as you can see in the picture in front of you, the bee changes its form during its life cycle. So of course the answer is yes, the young bees do not look like the adult bees. First, let's start by reviewing what adaptation means. It's the structures, the body parts, and behaviors that help the living things stay alive in their environment. Now let's review some plants adaptations. The first example is the spines of the cactus that are there for protection. The second example is the teeth of the Venus flytrap, and these teeth help the Venus flytrap catch food. We said that not only plants are adapted to their environments, but also animals. We have two types of adaptations, which are physical, which means body parts, and behavioral. For the behavioral, there are also two types. Instincts, which means the behaviors that are born with the animal. The animal is born knowing how to do them. And learned behaviors, which means that the animal learns how to do these behaviors by watching others. Now let's review some examples of physical adaptations in animals. First, we have the claws that help, for example, the eagle catch food. We have long legs that help, for example, the tiger run fast. We have a sharp beak that help any bird catch food. We have the quills or spines that help, for example, the porcupine protect itself. Now some examples of behavioral adaptations. For instincts, we have migration, which means like when birds travel from one place to a warmer place. Hibernation, like bears for example. They sleep in order to conserve the energy that they have. And protection. Finally, learned behaviors, like for example dogs learning tricks, lion cubs hunting, birds building nests. Now let's review what a life cycle is. It's a pattern of birth, growth, and death. So it's a cycle that shows us a specific animal, how it's born and how it grows in stages. Not all animals are born looking like their parents. We already said that some animals look different from their parents. And these animals, they go through what we call metamorphosis. So they go through stages, and in these stages, they develop to finally look like their parents. The animals that go through metamorphosis are amphibians, like salamanders, toads, and frogs, and insects. Now please, I need you to copy exercises 1 and 2 on your copybooks and try to solve them. In exercise 1, you have to answer true or false and correct the false statements. Now in exercise 2, you have to determine for each of the following examples if it's a learned behavior or an instinct. So please make sure to copy the table on your copybooks and fill it with the correct answers.